Earth, our home planet, is a small blue dot drifting through the vast cosmic ocean. Here lives everyone you've ever known, every human who ever existed, and every story ever told. This is where our journey begins. But as we look beyond our atmosphere, past the moon, and further than our familiar planet and sun, we embark on an extraordinary quest to understand the immense scale of our universe. Our first stop is the moon, roughly 384,000 kilometers from Earth. To put it in perspective, driving non-stop at 100 kilometers per hour would take you over 160 days to reach it. From the moon's surface, Earth looks like a delicate blue and green sphere, cradled in the darkness of space, a humbling sight that reminds us of our fragile existence. Continuing our journey outward, we encounter the sun, about 1 astronomical unit, or 150 million kilometers from Earth. Light, traveling at a mind-boggling 300,000 kilometers per second, takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. To fly this distance in a jet at 900 kilometers per hour would require nearly 19 years. Even within our solar system, such distances highlight the staggering vastness of space. The sun, a colossal ball of fire, provides the energy essential for life on Earth, despite being so far away. Next, we set our sights on Mars, our mysterious red neighbor. At its closest, Mars is about 54.6 million kilometers away, though this can stretch to 401 million kilometers when Earth and Mars are on opposite sides of the sun. Traveling to Mars at commercial jet speeds would take over 50 years. These enormous distances and the constantly shifting positions of the planets pose major challenges for space exploration. Further out lies Neptune, the distant ice giant marking the edge of our solar system. At 4.5 billion kilometers from Earth, sunlight takes 4 hours and 15 minutes to reach it. The Voyager 1 spacecraft, launched in 1977, exemplifies humanity's drive to explore the unknown. After traveling for more than 4 decades, Voyager 1 is over 22 billion kilometers from Earth, the farthest any human-made object has ever gone. In 1990, Voyager 1 turned back to capture the iconic pale blue dot image. From 6 billion kilometers away, Earth appears as a faint, tiny speck in the vast blackness of space. Astronomer Carl Sagan reflected on this image, reminding us of our responsibility to protect our fragile home in the infinite universe. At the outermost edge of our solar system lies the Oort cloud, a vast theoretical sphere of icy bodies extending up to 100,000 astronomical units, about 1.9 light-years. This boundary marks the edge of the sun's influence, where interstellar space begins. Beyond our solar system, the next significant destination is Alpha Centauri, the nearest star system, located 4.4 light-years away. Even Voyager 1, traveling at 17 kilometers per second, would take over 70,000 years to get there. This immense distance highlights the challenges of interstellar travel and the vast separation between stars. Our journey now takes us to the Milky Way, our home galaxy. Spanning 100,000 light-years, it houses hundreds of billions of stars, each with potential planetary systems. Within this galaxy, a small human radio bubble extends about 100 light-years, marking the furthest distance our broadcasts have reached. Beyond this, it's as if humanity never existed, with civilizations elsewhere unaware of us. As we leave the Milky Way, we enter intergalactic space, where galaxies drift across unfathomable distances. Our Milky Way is part of the Local Group, a collection of over 50 galaxies spanning 10 million light-years. The sheer scale of this cluster dwarfs anything within our own galaxy. Even larger structures await. The Virgo supercluster, containing thousands of galaxies, stretches 110 million light-years across. Beyond it lies the Laniakea supercluster, spanning 500 million light-years and containing the mass of 100 million billion suns. At its center lies the Great Attractor, a region of immense gravitational influence pulling galaxies together. Finally, we reach the observable universe, 93 billion light-years across. While the universe is 13.8 billion years old, its constant expansion has stretched space itself. Beyond the observable edge, there are regions we may never see, receding faster than light can travel. This leaves us with the humbling realization that the observable universe, vast as it is, may be just a fragment of an infinite cosmos.